does anyone say to themselves, remember that thing that Rick said? No one ever says that. Even if you do make humorous comments. Never ever, no one has ever said, oh, Rick, you're just being Rick. It never happens, okay? Except the fact that you're just a commenter in the peanut gallery and no one thinks you're either funny or stupid. Right?
I'm very happy with the box. I like the design. Like, and if you've got the little blue singles box, I think you put that in front of it. That's a very nice little collection of records. If you do that,
I think the box is fine for that design. I've never liked the Beatles logo, but they designed that early on. It's not great typeface, but
oh, stop it! I hate
wait,
that
it's
comment.
only good because we know it for so long, and we've known
No,
it for.
I disagree. It's a very appealing logo. It looks.
Yeah, I don't think so, but
Oh.
it's the logo of its time, so that's what I
Okay,
think.
Mazzy, let me ask you a question. Have, over the course of time, have the Beatles displayed that they have full control over their likeness, their things
Yeah,
that they go out there?
everything is registered now. They
And
own
now,
both.
hold on.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Have
Yeah.
they shown to some point they are over controlling of their stuff?
Um,
So
I don't see over
they've had
control.
ample opportunity to go, that logo sucks, let's change it.
Well, they're not
They
going to
have.
do that. I mean,
They have.
very few brands will change after. When they do, it usually doesn't go well. New Coke, now that's not a brand, but
No, that
packaging design is something, and the history and what we know and what we like about
as
packaging.
someone who studied graphic design, the way I see it is when you see the Coke logo, you don't read Coke. You see the image of Coke.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I agree with that. And so the
Thank
Beatles,
you,
yeah,
Julian.
right?
Okay, I love this comment. This is Ivan from Norway. I'm so happy that Massey likes the final box. This is the box
I'm
that
trying to
Massey
follow
has
box.
put there.
I understand there's a pain with them. That's why most of my boxes are up here, because we